Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and right display panel hinge. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the webcam cable for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Peel back the retention tape that secures the LED board to the display enclosure. Disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the LED board. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the main wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Important. Make careful note of the placement of the rubber cable guide on the webcam and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Peel back the retention tape that secures the webcam cable to the display enclosure. Remove the rubber cable guide from the webcam and wireless antenna cables. Carefully remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the webcam cable. Reverse this procedure to install the webcam cable.